We have 8 minus 3 times the quantity 3 squared plus 3 plus 7. If we start with 8 minus 3, we're going to get 5 times 3 squared plus 3 plus 7. Then we do what's in the parentheses, and we're going to get 5 times the quantity 9 plus 3 plus 7. Do what's in the parentheses again. We get 5 times 12 plus 7. This is multiplication. If you don't see a multiplication sign in between, when we just write a number in front of parentheses, that's multiplication. 5 times 12 is 60. 60 plus 7, 67. Yeah, but that's not right. We didn't follow the order of operations. You might have learned this as PEMDAS. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. What they stand for is you do all the parentheses first, then you do the exponents, then you do all divisions and multiplying in order from left to right, and then when that's done, you go back through and you do all your adding and subtracting in order from left to right as they appear. So let's do the problem again. This time we need to start with the parentheses, and there's an exponent in there too, so it's kind of like we're taking care of two of them at the same time. We're going to get 8 minus 3 times 9 plus 3 plus 7. 3 squared is 9. Let's do the parentheses again. 8 minus 3 times 12 plus 7. Do this multiplication before we do the subtraction. So we have to do 8 minus 36 plus 7. 3 times 12 is 36. And now we can do this subtraction. 8 minus 36 is negative 28. Add 7 to negative 28. And you get negative 21. That's the correct answer, and I'll bet you had it before I did it again. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!